This is the Bosch ROS 20 VS 5-inch palm random orbit sander. Finish carpenters, cabinet makers, woodworkers, and others find that this sander gives them the precise results they desire. An optimal combination of pad orbit and rotation delivers fast removal and a well-blended, ultra-smooth finish. Stay comfortable during extended use with the soft grip top and body design, which lets you have multiple grip options. With low vibration and a smooth run, fatigue and discomfort are a thing of the past. Variable speeds ranging from between 7,500 and 12,000 orbits per minute lets you dial up or down depending on the sanding task at hand. Featuring Bosch's hook-tight hook and loop disc attachment, this has over 35,000 long life hooks to ensure a firm grip of the disc during use. This sander holds standard 8-hole, 5-inch hook and loop discs. The soft microcellular backing pad is pliable, so you get a smooth, fine finish on both flat and contoured surfaces. An integral pad dampening brake system also helps prevent swirl marks. The included microfilter dust canister with integrated paper filter provides optimal fine dust filtration. Able to trap particles down to a half a micron in diameter, this keeps your workplace clean and helps protect you from harmful dust. This sander is also compatible with standard 1¼ inch and 1½ inch vacuum hoses or any Bosch vacuum hose and most European hose sizes. So this is it, the Bosch ROS 20 VS 5-inch palm random orbit sander. Perfect for any professional. For more information on this tool, reference this page and be sure to check out the complete line of Bosch woodworking tools.
This Ryobi 18-volt 1 Plus random orbital sander is ideal for light to medium weight applications such as fine finishing and paint removal. The main benefit of a random orbit sander is that it is not sensitive to the direction of the wood grain, so you can be guaranteed a swirl-free finish, just like the professionals. This sander has a 2.5mm random orbit motion, which combines aggressive stock removal and a smooth finish. The sandpaper fitment is hook and loop, making it effortless to remove and attach. The sander has built-in dust extraction holes and a removable dust bag that ensures the working environment remains tidy and dust-free. The dust bag easily slides on and off, making it fast and simple to remove and empty. Sand up to 50 minutes with one 5Ah lithium plus battery on a single charge. This random orbit sander is sold as a bare tool, allowing you to build on your 1 Plus collection without the need to pay for additional batteries and chargers. As part of the 1 Plus system of over 50 great tools for your home and garden, this handy cordless sander will work with any 1 Plus battery.
Carpenter by trade,
Master plumber,
electrician,
steam fitter,
rough and finish carpenter,
a mechanic,
master plumber, drywall contractor,
journeyman wireman electrician,
a welder fabricator,
sprinkler fitter,
master electrician, carpenter.
The M18 is leading the way in the battery powered tools. It has everything that I need. You have more power out of the battery and a longer run time.
I love the power. It will get the job done.
I was blown away.
Well, it performs just like the corded one, just as fast.
lasts forever, and they're compatible with the other tools.
I think Milwaukee Tool is the brand that is most dedicated to the trades.
I feel Milwaukee Tool is constantly striving to meet the goals of each specific trade in every tool that they come out with.
It is a perfect set of tools that we need. I love the versatility.
Having over 100 tools in the M18 system just shows they're dedicated to the professional trade.
Everything that we need to do can be done with the M18 system.
Being in the trades, we always get excited when new products come out from Milwaukee Tools.
Everything works together. I don't see anyone else making anything nearly as good. The M18, it's built for the future.
They're taking the battery cordless game into the future.